What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeebs here with another video. I am yellow and it's kind of dark-ish, but we're going to be detailing my girlfriend's car. So, let's get into it. I'm super orange, but fun fact about Kate, whether she's driver or passenger, she loves to throw all of her trash in the doors. I did not know that was going to happen. That actually high-key scared me. Okay, now that we got all the trash out of her car, we're gonna vacuum. And after we vacuum, then we'll do the actual like little detail stuff. So, back in time. This spot right here, ladies and gentlemen, this spot is a true test of this product. Also, in case you're wondering, this is the product. I think it's in focus. I don't know. Hold on. Here we go. It's in focus now. This is the product. Buy it at your local Walmart. Feels like I just made it darker. Oh well. Number 2. Well, the red's a negativo, but it looks less black, just more red. Here we go though, attempt number 3. Looks good to me. That's gonna be it. I think the car came out really well. I did something a little bit different this time. I wanted to go a little bit more cinematic-y. I'm testing out the lenses that we have for our camera. They're newer lenses, and oh, I unplugged my light. Are you kidding me? Okay, where was I? I'm trying something new. So we got a bunch of different lenses. So I'm trying them out, and I want to do some more cinematic stuff. If you guys did enjoy like the more cinematic-y style shots and stuff like that, then let me know in the comment section down below. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is like 6 weeks in a row. I know I repeat it every week, but it's because I'm excited. Yes, sir. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll see.